This is my bike check. I'm a 1993 Haro Group 1 Race Series. I'm going to start up down here with the crank. We have a 3-piece GT Performer crank on the GT Performer 39-2 sprocket. Got Haro 3-piece pedals, specialized grips in blue, Diamondback bars, junky old neck, temporary junk old seat, temporary. Got matching aluminum rims, 2 brand new Haro treads, and yeah, aluminum seat clamp with dance compound. Good bike place, check them out. And yeah, that's my bike check.